Hey guys, guess who's back on YouTube? I'm super excited to be back with makeup tutorials. I really hope you're excited as well. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be doing a fall eyeshadow look. So I'm going to be using my Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. I'm honestly super happy to be back on YouTube. This is where I started. I don't know why I stopped doing makeup tutorials on here, but I'm back and I'm so happy. I feel so much more motivated and I can't wait to create more content this week. I'm going to be doing an updated get ready with me, so stay tuned for that. I did apply this eyeshadow called Brownie Points on my crease just to darken up my crease a little bit more. You already know I'm cutting my crease using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I've been using this for years. If you know, you know. I'm also going to be setting my crease with translucent powder. Next, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Ooey Gooey on my eyelid. And this is just like a very soft, sparkly brown eyeshadow, which I love. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one from One Size. I was thinking about it for a bit, like where is this from? But it's from One Size and I love One Size. It's one of my favorite brands. I love this eyeliner, highly recommend it. For lashes, I'm going to be using these by Juvia's Place. Moving on to face, I'm going to be using my primer by One Size. This is their mattifying primer, which I'm so obsessed with and I love. It literally has my makeup on all day. I highly recommend it. For foundation, I'm going to be using this one by She Glam. This is their full coverage foundation balm and I've honestly been so obsessed with this foundation. I've always wanted to try this foundation. I've seen it all over TikTok and I finally got the chance to try it out. And I honestly love it. So if you're looking for a good full coverage foundation, this one is the one. For concealer, I'm using this one by One Size and I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on the areas I usually conceal, and then I'm just going to be blending that out with my beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Ultra Blur Translucent Powder. I usually use the regular translucent loose setting powder, but this time I decided to switch it up a little bit and I got the Ultra Blur and honestly, love. I highly recommend it. I know I keep saying I'm obsessed with this product. I love it, highly recommend it, but honestly, I do recommend these products. I haven't been on here in a while, so I have been using a lot of new stuff, a lot of new products, and I'm just trying to put you on, you know? For lipstick today, I'm going to be using my Nova Beauty Snatch Lip Liner in the shade Brown 02 and lipstick in the shade Tone. This is my favorite lip combo, by the way. I do this all the time. I'm also going to be using this lip gloss by Makeup by Mario. I don't know the shade of it, but I'll have it in the description box. Make sure you check that out before you leave. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. If you're excited to see me back on YouTube, let me know in the comments section and make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!